All right, guys. Last break of the night before we do the Premier Players. So this is the last bat that we've got of Series 14, and then we'll move in a couple weeks. We'll move into Series 16. So this is box 39 out of 100. So one autographed baseball in each box. And here is the list of teams for this one. So we got Abigail C with the Twins and the Mariners. Ashok, you've got the Giants. Brandon F with the Astros, the Royals, the Marlins, and the Cardinals. Brian G with the Red Sox, Reds, and Tigers. Chris P, you've got the Indians, Rockies, and Rays. Edward C with the Dodgers, Mets, and Yankees. John W, you've got the Phillies, the Pirates, the Diamondbacks, the A's, and the Padres. Marty with the Braves. Michael B with the White Sox. Ray, you've got the Orioles, Cubs, and Angels, and the Brewers. William M with the Rangers and the Blue Jays. And then Nationals went unsold. I think there's a Gary Carter in this series. So they went unsold, and I'll hang on to them. All right, so sealed up. So sealed up on both ends here. Let's do this. All right, well, white bat here, JSA certified. Oh, we got an inscription. Dude, is that an Ozzie Smith? That is going to be, it looks like it's going to be an Ozzie Smith. Good luck and best wishes, Ozzie Smith. And it is the Wizard. Nice way to finish up, going to the Cardinals. Going to Brandon. Brandon, we got you something, man. Pulled you a hit tonight. And that is an Ozzie Smith series here. Also got David Adams C of A. So it's JSA certified and David Adams certified. It's a nice way to end Series 14. So Brandon, congrats, buddy. We will get that bat mailed out to you. So again, like I mentioned, we'll be doing Series 16 coming up here in a couple weeks.